What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning into the channel. The day has finally came, guys. As you can see, 12 Pro Max, 512 gig variant, Pacific Blue. You know, we gotta do that Pacific Blue, baby. Then we got the little mini. Look at how good. Look at even just the box. You can hold it in one hand, no problem. We got it in the 64 gig variant. It's gonna be that blue too, of course. And then we got the blue MagSafe case. We got for the 12 mini. We got the clear case because they didn't have the blue one for the 12 Pro Max MagSafe, of course. So we're gonna unbox these phones real quick. Let's get them unboxed, and I'm just gonna keep it short and sweet, guys, just because you know, like I'm out on the road, I'm working right now, but I told you I'd give you guys this video, and I really do thank you guys for everything. I appreciate you guys. You guys are the best, 100%. Thank you for the 1,000 subs, and we're gonna be doing a live stream to be doing that giveaway because I need to give that giveaway away to you guys. It needs to be given away. All right, so let's start off. We're gonna start off with the mini. You know what? I feel like a mini kind of way right now. Let's do it. All right. So as you can see right here, little tab equals. Oh man, I hate. This is the part where I hate to open such a phone. I just think of the money value right now if it's sealed. But you know what, guys? This one is for you. There we go. Look at that. We gotta throw that out in the bag. You know, we can't be dirty. We're here at the Thunderbolt Park, as you can see. We put it in the Apple bag. Can't be dirty, guys. You know, what would your mama say if you were dirty? All right, let's get this bad boy opened up. Of course, you know, it's just a little box. And there she is, guys. The mini. Oh man, this is mini. Holy crap. Damn. Wow, she is really small, guys. Of course, you know. Hold on, we're gonna do I gotta put this like right up against the mic so you guys can hear this. Hold on a second. Let me get the production mic here turned around a little bit, and I'll let you guys hear the crispiness. We gotta hear that crispiness. Ain't that right, guys? I know you guys want to hear that solid. So let me turn the mic around right now. So here we go. And there she is, fully exposed. We'll turn her on here in a second, guys. Let me just put this right here on the side. Of course, you know, you get your standard USB-C to Lightning port cable. Then you do get your little mini documentation. You get the little SIM tool. Oh wow, SIM tool, your little guide, and your mini Apple sticker. All right, so we'll put these back. We'll put this back in the box, guys. Yeah. You know how it is. Give me that hell yeah. So let's put the mini in the case real quick though, guys. So I'm gonna pop open this. Oh, yeah, duh. See, they got a nice little tab. I think maybe they copied something from Pixel. So there you go. Put that in the bag. No littering, guys. No littering. This is a park. You want the kids to have fun, not to worry about litter bugs. All right. Pull it out. Is, guys. You can see the little round situation here for the MagSafe. Okay, came with a little plastic. You know, we're not gonna be litter bug, so we put that back in here. Okay, put that back. Then we put this in the bag. All right. Now we grab the phone. We put her on our MagSafe. Wow, honestly, the silicone MagSafe is way better than the clear one. It feels a lot better. Like to move in and out, but that's how she looks, guys. Look at that. She is just sight for sore eye. Turn her on, and I have to put a SIM in here. it is debatable. I think we are going to put, guys, the AT&T SIM on the Mini. So as we're gonna pop this SIM right here, I do have a spare AT&T SIM right back here, 5G SIM. So we're gonna take that out of the thing here. You know, you gotta always have spare SIMs, guys, spare lines. So we do that. Get the SIM tool. We got our certified SIM tool. Just pop this bad boy out. Pop the pan. We're going to certify this with the AT&T, guys. Hold on, let me get this phone set up and everything, and I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, we are back. Did a little time lapse real quick. We set up the Face ID on this bad boy. You know, of course, you know the usual. The camera looks good, looks decent, looks. That's what we're doing. Let's do a quick little speed test on the little Mini, and then of course you know what's going to be next, guys. We are going to crack the big boy, the Pro Max. We're going to do it all in one video. We're not going to do it in two. We're just going to do it in one. Make it easier. So let's see if we can get the speed test going here. Holy crap, from the Mini, guys. This is from the Mini. Let me see if I can get a little zoom action in here. Real quick, get you guys zoomed in. I hope you guys can hear me just fine. So we got 26 ping, 4.3 on the jitter, and we got 243 by 35.2. That is freaking amazing. Oh, hold on, guys. I need to turn the microphone around real quick. I am so sorry if you guys heard the little cling to the clan. You know, I forgot to put the microphone back facing the proper way. Of course, you know, I wanted to make sure when we crack that screen protector, we got it. We do a little fast real quick here. A little fast action. Let's see what your Netflix is going to be on GoatNet. Holy crap. This is the benefits of AT&T, guys. The benefits of A to the NT. You want good video quality while you're watching your videos. You know, your PHP. You know, there you go. 210. Now I don't see any low band 5G here. I don't know what's up with Phoenix or Scottsdale. I mean, let's turn that on. Let's put 5G on all the time. I guess there's no 5G here because we have it on all the time. More data on 5G. Yup. So I guess no low band 5G here. All right, let's get cracking on this Pro Max, guys. So we got the big boy out. We got the little Mini out of the way. So there's Mini, and here is Pro Max, guys. The time you guys have been waiting for. Yes, this is a longer video, but we got this. Let me fix the zoom real quick. Situation. There we go. Pro Max, baby. Let's get it. Let me turn this mic around real quick so you guys hear all from the peel to the wrappers to everything. We want you guys to get the full experience of this unboxing. Here, okay. There we go. There we go, guys. And unfortunately, I gotta be responsible. Gotta put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Ay, cha. Here we go, guys. Look at that big. Damn, this is too big. Holy crap, this thing is huge. Huge phone. But, alright, guys. You know, the moment of the truth. We're going to do a close-up on the mic. There you guys go. Got the screen protector off for you guys. Let's put this here on the side, and then we will start turning this bad boy on, going through the setup process. So we're gonna do another quick little time lapse on it. Let's turn it on real quick. All right, there she is, guys. She is turning on that Pacific Blue. All right, so while she's turning on, we are going to, of course, open the clear MagSafe for it. So the little tab, pull, you know, put it in the bag, open it up. We get the clear MagSafe, clear. Okay, so put this back in here. Put this back in the bag. Let's put it on the phone. We got the little ring for the MagSafe. All right, let me do a quick little time lapse, guys, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got this one booted up. You know, we got the camera. Of course, you know, we're gonna check it out. So the zoom is 2.5 instead of 2x. Okay. So we're gonna play with these phones a little bit more. My initial reaction on the Pro Max, it's too big. It really is. It's way too big compared to the Mini. So if I grab that, I grab the Mini. The Mini just feels a lot better, guys. Like hand-wise, let's see here. I can literally go through a text message, let's say, give or take, no problem. See? Boom, no problem. We can text. Now, if we pop open this bad boy right here, so, like, don't get me wrong, it's nice to type and everything, but it's just too big. Way too big. But we're gonna test these phones, guys. We're gonna do more comparisons, apples to apples, since I do have that. I do got the 12 Pro, I got the Pro Max, so we got them all, guys. Thank you for tuning in for these unboxings. I really appreciate it, guys. Oh yeah, one more thing, it comes with the same thing, USB-C to Lightning, and we get a little booklet, we get the SIM card slot, we get the little thing, and we actually get a bigger Apple sticker on the Pro Max. But other than that, that is it, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Remember, in the description down below, there's links to all the social media, to Periscope, where we do a lot of Periscope lives, to Instagram, which we do post on there, and to our Facebook page, also to the Discord, the link, and to small occasional monetary donations to the channel. Links are down below too. Thank you, guys, and have a great day. And I will be posting a few more videos here coming up. We'll do that giveaway one here shortly too. Peace.